We guide you through how to download and install Roblox Studio on your laptop or PC so you can start creating games quickly. First thing you need to do is open a web browser and go to the official Roblox website, then log into your Roblox account, and next, click Create in the top menu, and you'll see the option to start creating. Click it, and the prompt will appear to download Roblox Studio. Once the installer is downloaded, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to install Roblox Studio on your Windows computer. After installation, launch Roblox Studio and sign in with your Roblox account, and you are now ready to start building games, designing world, and testing your creations directly from your laptop or PC. Make sure your system meets minimum requirements for smooth performance while creating in Roblox Studio.